Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Novi Intan Aprilia. You can call me Novi. I'm from English Education Study Program from Semarang State University. Name 22014220063. Because today we still have long holidays, so I will ask you to accompany me to make a fruit salad to spending my long holiday times. Okay, let's go. Today I have prepared all things that we need to make fruit salad. First of all, I have a pear. I have a melon and apple, jelly, cheese, yogurt, mayonnaise, and milk. Okay, first of all, we have to make a sauce for fruit salad. For the first time, we have to put the mayonnaise, milk, and yogurt. And then mix it.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do.
A few moments later.
Okay, done. And then we put all the fruit like pear, the box like pear, apple, pear, apple, melon, cherry. And the last one, we give the fruit that we have put that in the box by the sauce that we have made last time. Yay! And the last one is give the fruit salad the topping like cheese that we have. Because I will like cheese, so I give it so much. Okay, done, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.